Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the StockToPlay challenge where we're giving you the hottest daily pennies in play. So today we're going to get back right into it. I ain't even going to mess around. So TRKA, we had an amazing day, 32%. It was moving tons of volume, 229 million. That's our highest day recorded so far, I believe. We had a day range of 35 to 44 pre-market. This thing was up to, I believe it was 38, and it actually held most of its gains coming down to around the 9:30 bell there, which was pretty good because a lot of times these pennies like to give away their gains pre-market. We kept running a couple bounces throughout the day. Things are going really well. All in all, we just got to keep eyes on this. Like, remember, trade it. Don't gamble here. Just take profits, buy back, buy the support levels, average down, do what you got to do. Trade it. Don't gamble it. TRKA, and honestly, like, I'm just going to keep eyes on it. I did sell out a little bit of my position today a couple times, and I did keep a couple thousand shares for the little bit longer run to see how it's going to go. The way that I trade is it's just how I trade. So even if this thing runs up $5, like, I will get a piece of it all the way up, buying in at different places. I might not necessarily hold the same shares down at 25 cents all the way up, but that's just for me. Anyway, we just saw this article come out about 4 hours ago about TRKA. Kind of just like there's a lot of hype around it just because it is meme stocks, what to play, kind of things like that. It's up 250% year to date, so they say, so they speak, but I ain't even watching the whole year. We've had eyes on it for about 2 months now, but it's been picking up a lot lately. This was just an interesting article I found today. I've been seeing it going around on StockTwits. I'll leave a link to it in the description as well if you just want to read through it here. Kind of breaks down what they got going on, a little bit about their balance sheet, also some of the investors that are partaking in this stock here. But I'll leave that description down below in the description of the video. And also, guys, we have a paid WhatsApp group. We called TRKA around 25, 26 cents. And a couple people in the group actually were able to get in on it. Also, LHDX, we were put in the order at 18.44, and that ended up running significantly. It was pretty crazy, actually. That went like 300 and something percent. We were just TRKA put in orders at 25 there, some more 27. Like our chat is booming. Small position on TRKA here, just keeping people updated throughout the day, showing that we're actually filling these, like getting these orders filled, and we're not just talking crap. Our WhatsApp chat, it does have a lot of benefit if you're new to trading, or also if you're in a rush in the morning and you just need to figure out what's popping for the day. You can tune in and get everything straight to your phone while you're on the go. We have some other people here all out of TRKA. People banked on this in our group chat today, so feel free to just comment your email below and I'll definitely contact you. Today also in the group chat we commented SIDU space, I believe at 61 cents. I said that this looks like a good buy around here, and then boom, took off to 22%. We were calling it right around here in the group chat today. So people are banking. It's not a bad way to go. Right here, yeah, SIDU looking good again here. Had a huge downtrend. That was at 10:25 a.m. But anyway, we're gonna jump in to some of the beef right here. But this was TRKA up here today. Had a huge gap up. I like this over here, seeing that 32 like solid peak. I'm not even looking at the sell off at the top there, 33, but I like that because man, when you see gaps, normally we just think like, oh, this is coming back down to fill the gap, or in our head we want to think it's never going to come back to fill the gap. But this helps me just rest a little bit easier here to know that there is a lot of pressure in that area. So hopefully it bounces if it does end up breaking support throughout this top here. But today was a very volatile day all in all. This is the 5-minute chart here. I like to look at that while I'm day trading as well, 5-minute and the 1 minute. I ain't got no indicators on it. Oh, the area I got circled here was when we notified like the WhatsApp group that we'd be taking a position in here. So it was very early. You had time to get in, do your DD, and then get all mixed up in the hype with your emotions. But anyway, TRKA, let me just switch to the 1 minute here. Like, it was a hell of a day, man. All in all, the chart, it held very well. at the levels that it bounced off of. I kind of watched this the whole day, so I know how it was moving. I did not panic at all because I was taking profits. Remember, we're trading here, we're not gambling. Sometimes people need to be reminded of that, especially if you want to be profitable. But all in all, TRKA, we're still waiting for earnings. TradingView said it should have came out today. It's been saying that, but it didn't. So we're still waiting. That could definitely help propel things to the next level or the next floor, or the next leg, however you want to speak about it. But the momentum's there, the volume's there. There's catalysts in the pipeline that they could definitely throw out there. We're not sure what they're coming at us with next. Hopefully it is earnings. If they were smart right now, man, like they would be dropping shit hot right now. Like they would be taking advantage of the situation so hard. Like tell me that some of your peoples who's working for you ain't on Twitter or something, seeing what people are saying. Like honestly, but anyway, moving on to LHDX. Man, this one here we actually bought around this area here. For unfortunately got stopped out, but a lot of people still did manage to get it off of our buy, and I hope they took profits here, because like this was a crazy run up bankruptcy play that ended up coming out with a COVID test kit and FDA approval or some all kind of stuff like after they filed for bankruptcy, and it just started going crazy. But yo, this is a very risky play. If I were you guys, man, I would be very careful. Personally, like I wouldn't touch it again. Like I wouldn't touch it. Like, there's no way I'm touching it. So, like, I just say that. But if you are, make sure you got your stop losses. The next play was SIDU. This was today. Also, yeah, man, we signaled this in the group at 61, 62 cents, right where I circled, and then boom, it took off. We've traded SIDU like 3 or 4 times already. Like nothing in this market these days is just holding its gain. So that gives you the chance to, like, play it over and over again. Plus, you're already familiar with the DD, with the stock. So it's like these catalysts that you've already read, you know what else is forthcoming or supposed to come based on what you've already dug up with them. You know what I mean? So there's nothing wrong with playing the same plays over and over again. Like, it's still bank, and I'm already familiar with how it moves. I'm familiar with what the company's about and what everyone's thinking about it. So SIDU is still there for me. They had the offering a while back that caused a significant drop that I spoke about in a different another video. But it's on its way back up there, man. That's to the 80-cent range there, yeah, 86 cent, and then creep back over $1. So we'll see SIDU still in heavy play here. And then we got EBET. We still got a position here. Sorry, I got a lot of indicators and things like that on here. But this is just another swing play that I'm in currently. I just like to be transparent and let you know, even though some plays are down right now, like there's nothing wrong with that. You average down, you play it out, you move your money, you manage your risk. Like that's it. That's what trading is, you know? But yeah, so right now, TRKA, LHDX, well, forget LHDX right now for me, but it's still, I'm going to point it out because it's hot. SIDU, EBET. But yeah, if you're interested, man, just drop a comment below with your email. We'll contact you, and we can get you set up in that paid WhatsApp group. Take care. Adios.